Hi everyone, today we will talk about e-commerce, digital market and digital goods. Subtopic today is 10.2. What are the principles e-commerce business and revenue model? For the brief contents of this subtopic is about types of e-commerce, e-commerce business model and e-commerce revenue models. Types of e-commerce. E-commerce is fascinating combination of business models and new information technologies. Business to consumer (B2C), retailing products and service to individual shoppers. For example, Amazon, Walmart, and iTunes are the example of B2 e-commerce. Business to business (B2B), sales of goods and service among business. For example, America's websites for buying and selling chemicals and energy. Consumers to consumers (C2C), consumers selling directly to consumers. For example, eBay. The GAIN web auction sites enable people to sell their goods to other consumers by auctioning their merchandise off to the highest bidders or for a fixed price. E-commerce business model. Change in the economy of information described earlier have created the conditions of entire new business models to appear while destroying older business model. First, e-tailer. E-tailer sells physical products directly to consumers or to individual business. Transaction broker save users money and time by processing online sales transaction and generate a fee each time of transaction occurs. Market creator provide a digital environment where buyers and sellers can meet, search for product, display products, and establish price for the products. Content provider create revenue by providing digital content such as new music, photos, or video over the web. Community provider provides an online meeting place where people with similar interests can communicate and find useful information. For portal, provides initial points of entry to the web along the specialized contents and other service. Service provider provides applications such as photo sharing, video sharing, and user-generated content as service. Provides other service such as online data storage and backup. The last one is e-commerce revenue models. Advertising revenue models. A website generates revenue by attracting a large audience of the visitors who can then be exposed to advertisement. Sales revenue models. Companies drive revenue by selling goods, information, or service to customers. Subscription revenue model. Offering contents or service charge a subscription fee for access to some or all its offering on an ongoing basis. Free premium revenue models. Firms offer basic service or content for free and charge a premium for advanced or special features. Transaction fee revenue models. A company receives a fee for enabling for executing on transaction. And affiliate revenue models.